Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Multan Public School and College, I am your teacher, Rabia Ayub. Dear students, today we are learning sound O. Okay, here we are on the screen. Capital letter O and sound O. Name is O and sound is O. Now let us learn the sound O by singing a rhyme. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 on. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 off. Did you enjoy that? It was really fun. Would you like to sing again? Okay, let's start. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 on. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 off. Okay, dear students, I'm sure you know how to say the sound. Oh, Allah Hafiz. Take care and enjoy reading.